Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Your boy DJ Badishi. I want to take things to the next level. You know what I'm saying? So today, I start with the maze. So I get my intro for the maze, but no shaking. We still have more things to do. Like today, we'll be looking like, you know what I'm saying, like the interior part of Visual DJ, like the interior part, like um the, like settings, like, you know what I'm saying, like the part that is hidden. You know what I'm saying, hidden part of, let me say, call it the hidden part, man. Okay. You know what I'm saying, like I told you guys, now lesson 1 or so, lesson 1, 2, gotta check that out. I talked about the settings, so we need to know more about the way this Visual DJ app work. You know what I'm saying? You can just have this DJ app and do nothing with. You don't know some part, like the more interior part of it. So let's go in the interior part of this work, man. Okay, we are like in the interior part, like interior part, like these are the main keyword. These are the display area, you know what I'm saying, like we have the tutorial, the audio, the interface, the controller, the options, the license, okay, the extensions, the broadcast, the record, and the remote. Okay, you're gonna be talking about some stuff around here, like the word tutorial. You know what it's all about, like hint, just a hint about what the Visual DJ is all about. They're not gonna explain in full details what I'm doing right now. They're just gonna give you hint, like, you know what I'm saying, like this audio now. I have some part of audio, like, you don't know about, but I'm gonna be using some of these things in my past lessons, so stay tuned, man. Like the interface, man, I'll talk more about this now. Okay, it's like changing the way your DJ appearance, the way you like it to be. Like in the more I talk about the 4 deck, that's what I'm saying, like the 4 deck, so that they come in interface place, man. I want to change the appearance of your deck, like just you looking at the way my deck, my display, my desktop Visual DJ displays changing, like get like old, man, like got the way thing changes. So I want to leave it change like this. I'll just click on it, then go back to our site. You know what I'm saying? Like look at how beautiful this display is. Look at the graphic, look at everything, just dim, man. You should love this, man. Okay, got everything, man. Just but pretty confusing, like it's somehow confusing, man. Like you don't know where to start from, but don't worry, it will be in another class. I'm gonna explain details for you, bro. Okay, let's go back to what we're doing, man. Settings. Okay, at the controller, man. They show you like what your keyboard can do without like. Okay, I'm gonna explain this. Like just take control like controllers like our next topic, man. You need to go for this. Like pretty awesome. Like controllers our next topic, man. Okay, we're going for this. We are really going for this. Okay, I don't waste much time. We have much time. Like options, like this. You choose what you want from this app, man. You gotta choose what you want from this app. Like you want to change the language, like oh man, I don't want to do that shit, man. Just leave it on the one you want. Okay, play all these different topics on their own, man. I just want to introduce you to into your part, man. This introduction, I'm going to explain more of this next lessons on license. We got license, like software license, like you know what I'm saying. Let me not see anything like. Let me not see anything now. In this extension, this is the only part of the software. I don't really understand, like seriously dead ass. But the broadcast, it means to let your music into the air, like broadcast it lets you mix to the air. Start saying this record, like it's what we use every day, like recording the music. It doesn't put any sound, just internal recording. You know what I'm saying? Internal recording, just record only what you're mixing, not your voice. So I'm saying, like I'm fast now because the time's like 9 minutes. Okay, like this. Remote recording is like the app you get on your phone, and you control the app. You control the visual DJ from your phone. You know what I'm saying? Like I have to do this for you guys. But thanks for watching. Let's continue with our mix, man. Like I'll use the new deck for this, man. Let's continue with the mix. Catch you guys in our next tutorial with the controller. So I'm going to talk more about the controller, so don't miss this. It's very important. So let's go. You know what I mean. I mix. So while start the mix, I need to remind you something, man. Just look at your subscribe button now. They're still red. Then make them dim. I don't want to see no subscribe. I don't want to see that. I want to see the color tone black. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to see any subscribe button red. So I'm saying just click on it and change. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't really like the red color. You know what I'm saying? Just subscribe to this channel, man. It's really helpful with your DJ life. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go back to the mix, man. Let's go back to the mix. Yeah.